Uh, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to present my proposal with the title is The Anthropocene Collapse in Avatar Movie 29, directed by James Cameron. With my supervisor is Mr. Devi Kurnia Alam Shah SSM Home, and my contributors is are Mr. Dr. Muhammad Al Hafiz SSMA and Miss Leni Marlina SSMA. Okay, without any further ado, let's start my presentation. Uh, Introduction, big background of the study. Anthropocene is a term coined for a new era where humans begin to have a drastic impact on ecology and the earth. Humans are the main drivers in giving impacts in the Anthropocene. This can be seen in the burning of forests, for housing development, and for personal interests. Humans who carry out activities that damage nature are usually assisted by something big, such as a company. A company is a body formed by a group of people to run a business, commercial company, or industrial company. From the above description, it can be concluded that company actions in exploiting nature have been excessive. Then brief biography of the director. James Cameron is a Canadian filmmaker known for his broad vision and innovative special effects. He took 3 Oscars for Best Director, Best Filming Editing, and Best Picture. James Cameron back to the big screen in 29 with the release of Avatar. This innovative film tells the story of the conflict between humans and the native inhabitants of the planet Pandora, the Na'vi tribe. The main, the main conflict revolves around humans' relentless exploitation of Pandora's natural resources, resulting in widespread environmental damage and profound disruption of the planet's fragile ecosystems. And focus of the problem, the thesis will mainly focus on the causes made by company exploitation that contributed to the Anthropocene collapse in the Avatar 2009 movie directed by James Cameron. And in addition, this thesis will also focus on the effects to company exploitation on the indigenous people of Pandora, which will lead to the Anthropocene collapse. And for the research question, I have 2 questions for this research. The first one is, how does the company exploitation of Pandora's resources contribute to the Anthropocene collapse in Avatar 2009, directed by James Cameron? And then the second is, how does the company exploitation affects the indigenous and lead to the Anthropocene collapse in Avatar 2009, directed by James Cameron? For the purpose of the research, the first one is to find out how the company exploitation of Pandora's resources contribute to the causes of the Anthropocene collapse in Avatar 2009, directed by James Cameron. The second one is to find out how company exploitation affects the indigenous in Pandora in Avatar 2009, directed by James Cameron. Literature review, Marxism theory. Marxism views history through the lens of these material conditions and past struggles. It can be said that Marxism looks at how societies develop by examining material conditions like economic and social structures and the conflict between different castes. Uh, According to Gramsci in 1999, how the ruling class maintains power not just through economic control, but also through cultural and ideological dominance. Gramsci's theory of cultural hegemony explains how the state and the ruling capitalist class use cultural institutions to maintain dominance. Gramsci's work emphasized the importance of culture, education, and ideology in the struggle for social change. His ideas have had a significant influence on various fields, including sociology, political science, and cultural studies. And then eco-criticism theory. The term eco-criticism is derived from ecology, which refers to the relationship between animals, plants, humans, and their environment, and criticism, which involves forming an opinion or judgment. According to Garat 2004, eco-criticism explores how humans perceive and describe their interaction with nature in all phases of life. This relationship impacts human survival through the environment. Eco-criticism also covers concepts such as pollution, wilderness, apocalypse, animals dwelling and the earth, with a particular focus on the growing humans' dominance over the planet. Ecosocialism theory. Ecosocialism is present to criticize capitalism because it makes humans exploit nature for personal gain. Ecosocialism exists because as states by Saito 2017, the environmental crisis that occurs cannot be separated from social imbalance, such as exploiting labor and existing poverty. Ecosocialism offers a solution by combining social justice and providing the environment to nature in general. According to Saito, capitalism is recognized as not only alienating workers from their labor, but also disrupting the natural metabolic interaction between humans and the environment. Previous research. This movie was first aired in 2009 with the genre is science fiction, and research on this film has been conducted, such as research entitled Ecotopia in James Cameron movie Avatar 2009 by Nesrin and Walid in 2000, in 2019, which contains criticism of anthropocentrism and explains that this film reflects the ideology of neoliberalism and capitalist exploitation. And the second one is another study is analysis of an article entitled is on astropastoral in the Anthropocene by Tabas in 2021. This study discussed the concept of astropastoralism and its impact on human. This is my conceptual framework. First is Avatar movie 2009, directed by James Cameron, and I will use three theory. As the grand theory is Marxism theory by Karl Marx, and then eco-criticism by Greg Garat, and the third one is eco-socialism by Kohei Saito. And I will divide two focus. The first one is the company exploitation of Pandora's resources contribute to the Anthropocene collapse, and then that's gonna to focus again RDA collaboration and then approach to indigenous people. And for the another focus is the company exploitation of Pandora resources contribute to the Anthropocene collapse. the war between human and Navy and environmental degradation. And then this one gonna make Anthropocene collapse. Research method, data and sources. The source of data is a movie with title Avatar in 2009, directed by James Cameron. With the genre is science fiction, and the data were taken from the script, the scenes, the dialogues, the moral message, the narrative, and etc. And for the technique of data analysis, I will use three techniques. The first one is data collecting. For data collecting, I will watch the movie for several times, and then I will highlighting the relevant scenes, the relevant dialogues, or anything that relevant with my research. And the second one is data preparation. I will make the categorizing from the one that I have collect. And then the third one is data analysis. I will analysis the data with three theory before. Then that's all my presentation. And thank you.